Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel or end your memberships on your Nintendo Switch. So if you got like the online service or something like that, go up to your page and select it. Then scroll on down, and we want to go to user settings. Go to the right and scroll on down under here. Go to Nintendo Switch Online, check your subscriptions. Then under here, this is going to go ahead and load for about 5 to 10 seconds. Then we can see our Nintendo Switch Online subscription. So it says membership options right here. So if you don't have it, you can go ahead and buy it. Otherwise, you can try to cancel it out. And there's going to be automatic renew turned on by automatic if you just buy something. So you're going to want to go ahead and just manually turn that off. So it says no membership available there. But you can also go down to your subscriptions right here. It says available passes. If you don't have any pass, just make sure you cancel out the membership. And you should be good to go. And that will turn off the automatic renew when you cancel it as well. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.